certain things that they do wrong or whatever it is as a company. But like I said, from day one, I've always said DoorDash will always be for themselves. All these companies will always be for themselves before they are for you. As long as you accept that and know that, then you'll be okay. But if you expect DoorDash to put you first and then they put themselves second, you got it messed up. It just does not work that way, and that's where the people that I say are living in a fantasy world. You are truly living in a fantasy world. You gotta wake up and live in this this reality world. Not realistic. I'm sorry, in this reality world that we live in. Otherwise, everybody would be doing DoorDash if it was just so simple like that. You get paid all this money, where people are going to college and going to school and this and that and getting these higher paying jobs. Or the job that I have, even working for the government, if you're telling me that these DoorDash drivers can make more money than what I make, and I make 5K a month there, plus 5,500 plus a month there with my day job, I'm gonna go crazy because you just got people out here driving around making 5 grand a month, 6 grand a month, doing DoorDash, dropping off number ones from McDonald's. No, sir. So, like I said, I will leave it at that. I do appreciate it again if you made it thus far. Again, the links will be in the comments and in the description. Go check out the webpage if you want. And again, your boy C Moto, I'm bringing you the news that